Kajabi is a really popular all-in-one online business solution. It's an online business platform that basically does everything. But how does it stack up against its competitors? What do you get with Kajabi that you don't get with other platforms? And is it the best overall value for the price? And is it the most feature-rich platform out there? And then also, when it comes to Kajabi, do you need a all-in-one business solution, or is it better to have Teachable, let's say, doing your courses and ConvertKit doing your email and make these two things work together along with a bunch of other tools instead of having Kajabi do it all? I've done a lot of videos answering this question in a lot of different ways. So what I've done is I've put together a playlist of about 7 videos that are going to walk you through all of these questions and give you a great idea of how Kajabi stacks up against all of the competitors. And in my opinion, I'm just going to tell you exactly what I think. I think Kajabi beats all of them and does it walking away. And there's reasons why that's the case, which I'm going to get into in each one of these videos. First up, we're going to look at Kajabi versus alternatives, just which is better from a broad perspective. How does Kajabi stack up against the alternatives? Then we're going to look at Kajabi versus Teachable. Is Kajabi better than Teachable? Why is it better? Teachable is an online course hosting platform. That is mostly what they do. So we're going to look at the question, should you have Teachable to host your online courses, or is it better to have Kajabi doing that? Then we're going to have another look at Kajabi versus the alternatives. Then we're going to look at the question of how do you decide if Kajabi is right for you? What is all that you need to know? And in that video, we're also going to talk about its competitors. Then we're going to get into, is Kajabi worth the price? Because Kajabi, because it's an all-in-one solution, can be a little bit expensive if you're just looking at Kajabi on its face. You have to really look at it in terms of all of what it replaces in your online business, and you start to see that it actually saves you money. Then we're going to dive into Facebook groups versus Kajabi community. This gets a little bit into when you're on Kajabi and you have a membership site, should you use the Kajabi community feature, which is included with Kajabi, or should you rely on a Facebook group? If you're ever looking into Kajabi for a membership site purpose, this video is really going to interest you. And then finally, we're going to end with a Kajabi review to watch before you decide. This is a full Kajabi features walkthrough, and this will give you a good idea of what Kajabi looks like on the inside compared to its competitors. So that is what this playlist is going to do. I'm so excited that you're here. If you want to jump into Kajabi right now or after checking out this playlist, use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial. Check it out. See if you like it for 30 full days. You also get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me where we can talk about Kajabi, talk about your business, and how you can get the best possible start on this platform. It's really fun to do those 45-minute one-on-one calls, and I can't wait to do one with you when you use my link. You'll also get my $25,000 course launch email template that will show you exactly how to launch your course and make a big old pile of money when you do. So I want to give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission at no additional cost to you. So I appreciate it very much. So if you are in the playlist, just keep watching to the next video, which is going to be Kajabi versus alternatives. And if you're not in the playlist, you can click right here to jump into this playlist and watch through each one of these videos that we talked about and hopefully answer this question and give you a good idea of what you should do next. So jump right in there in that playlist, and I'll see you on the inside. We'll talk through Kajabi versus alternatives.